welcome back. Thanks for stopping by, appreciate it very much. So today I was working on the lights again and wiring the rest of these, or working on wiring the rest of these. Basically went down this row and then the other row as well a little bit. So there's still more to do, and then straightening them out because some of them are crooked either way. So just trying to make them as best as possible straight with the pan decking. So just having to take out the screws in the ceiling and where they're hanging from the chain, and then just moving that over a little bit just to straighten them out, or make them square, not like totally crooked. So basically went down this row right here, all the way down there. Some of these, there's still stuff in the way below it, like that light isn't even hung yet. But I basically just went down this row, and these guys are being really annoying and obnoxious. So I went down that row, and then I also turned the corner right here and started working on these down here. And then we also pulled wire from inside this room right here. There's a junction box right in there. That might even be the tip of it right there. And basically pulled the home runs in for these lighting circuit home runs. So for this light, and that light circuit, like 10, 12, and 14, or 12, 14, 16, I can't remember, but basically 3 circuits in the pipe, like brown and orange and yellow. I know there's just 2 different, or I think it was 1 different color for each. So it was like a brown, gray, and green, and then like some of them needed a constant hot, so it was like brown, gray, green for 1 circuit at 277, and then another circuit with a constant power, so it was like orange, yellow, and gray, and then another one was like yellow and yellow, gray, and then just 1 ground wire in the pipe. And so that basically does it. There's still, I think that row is mostly done, so there should be a row in the middle that needs to be done, and then or 3/4 of this row, and then this whole row on the left side, I believe. And then we still got to hang emergency lights down this 2nd row on both sides. So I'll probably be working on those tomorrow, unboxing them, hanging the chain on each side of them. Like you can see, there's a little, maybe not. Anyways, there's a little V. There's a little V on each side going up, and then it hangs off of the V in the middle. So basically, just add a little chain on each side, and then the wire might already be up there. I'm not sure on the 2nd rows or not. I think they are, but I just can't see them at the moment. So anyways, I'll be unboxing those, putting the chain on those, and then hanging those and wiring those in as well. So that's what I worked on today, guys. Hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching. So this is what it looks like on the outside, just a big concrete tilt-up building. Nothing special here at all. So I thought it was going to be a lot bigger, but it's not. So anyways, yep. Alright guys, so I am heading out now from the job site. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, I'd appreciate it if you hit that like button and subscribe. Hopefully I'll see you guys back here tomorrow. Oh my gosh, steering wheel's in the way. Hopefully you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys back here tomorrow. Don't forget to check out the description for social medias, and yeah, notification bell, all that good stuff. And thanks again for watching, and I appreciate the support. Had a much better day today. There's some loud noises here. So I had a much better day. I didn't cry today, and actually, I'm not sure if I did, maybe a little bit. Maybe for a brief second, I'm not sure. I had to talk to my friend's mom again, and gonna buy my tickets tonight to fly out. So that's that, and appreciate all the support with this grieving process. You guys are awesome. Appreciate the support, and yeah, I'll see you guys back here tomorrow. And as always, God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. Peace out.